This is the code in action video for chapter 4. In the first code example of chapter 4, we replaced our state hooks with multiple reducer hooks. One reducer hook for the user and one for the posts. As we can see, logging in still works the same way as before. Creating posts also works the same way. However, we are not using state hooks anymore, but we are using reducer hooks. We can see that in this code here, we now have a user reducer here, a posts reducer here, and we define two different reducer hooks in the app component down here. We then pass on the user object, the dispatch function to the user bar, and the user posts and dispatch function for posts to the create post component. In the second code example for chapter 4, we combined the reducer hooks to a single reducer hook so that we only have one dispatch function that we have to use. Again, we can see it still works the same way as before. However, now in the code, we can see that there is a single reducer here, and we just get the user and posts from the state reducer, from the app reducer, and now we can pass on the single dispatch function, and we can dispatch user and post actions to this one dispatch function. If we take a look at the reducers file, we can see that now the user reducer and post reducer, they have moved here, and we have defined a new app reducer that combines the two other reducers. In the third code example of chapter 4, we learned about effect hooks, and we implemented an effect hook that changes the title of our app, which is up here, to the user if it's logged in. So now it's, as you can see, now it's React hooks blog, and if we log in, it adds the user, so it adds my name and then dash React hooks blog.